If I had to cut my hair today and start all the way over from scratch, I'd be able to grow my hair twice as long and in 2x speed. And here's how. The very first thing I do is focus on the key foundation of hair growth. And no, it's not just about the products you're using or putting a bunch of hair oil in your hair. A large part of hair growth has to do with what your body is supplied with. So the first thing I do is focus on eating better. I'd cut out unhealthy trash foods and eat things that my hair loves. Proteins like eggs, chickens, beans, and nuts boost keratin production. Irons like spinach, lentils, and red meat prevent hair thinning. Zinc like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas keep hair strong. And biotin like sweet potatoes, almonds, and avocados promote hair growth and reduce hair shedding. Now knowing this, I'd implement all of this into my diet. It's not about cutting out your favorite foods, it's about adding these in to give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Next, I'd figure out what my hair and scalp actually needs, like what it really needs. Then I'd provide my hair with an abundance of it. For a lot of us, this will be things like adding more or adding less moisture. I'd then create a strict weekly routine around that and follow it religiously. So it would look something like this. For me, my hair is primarily on the drier side, so I make sure my hair is in a constant state of moisture. This doesn't just mean put water in your hair. It means to actually hydrate your hair thoroughly. I'd start off with a freshly washed head, making sure to use a washout conditioner to hydrate my hair a bit. But instead of just washing my hair and leaving it like that, I'd make sure to use a high quality leave-in conditioner. When I say high quality, I don't just mean good. I mean something that's good and natural. Something that your hair can actually benefit from, not just provide it with moisture. A hair product that contains natural ingredients and ingredients that are rich for hair growth. Because to really get your hair to grow 2 times as fast, it's not about doing one big thing. It's about doing a lot of small things that have big effects. So making sure that you're using the right type of products is crucial. Here are 2 super natural high quality conditioners that I highly recommend and that I actually use myself. Now, this one's a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it, trust me. It contains ingredients like shea butter and aloe, which is amazing at hydrating your hair and great for hair growth. I'd keep my hair consistently hydrated with this conditioner throughout the day, and whenever I feel my hair was a little dry, I'd add in a little more conditioner. I'll leave a link to where you can grab both of these down in the description below, so do your hair a favor, scroll down and check it out. Alongside that, instead of spraying my hair with regular water, I'd consider using something like rice water. Rice water is extremely hydrating and has significant hair growth benefits versus regular old water. Now, I've been using rice water for months now, and as soon as I switched over to using it, I've noticed a significant difference in my hair's overall health. My hair's a lot better at retaining in moisture, and my hair's growing a lot quicker than it normally did. Now, you could make your own rice water, but if you don't have time for all that, you could just buy a bottle. I'll leave a link to where you can get some in the description below. Another thing that I do is deep condition my hair once every 2 weeks. Deep conditioning your hair provides your hair with a significantly deeper, more thorough condition than you'd regularly get with a washout or a leave-in conditioner. But this only works well if you're deep conditioning using heat. By introducing heat, you're opening your hair follicles, allowing the conditioner to go deeper into them. The one that I use and that I'd recommend for you is this one. It contains natural high quality ingredients that actually benefit your hair growth. I'll leave a link to it down in my description. Last, I'd implement a solid hair oil, something that contains beneficial ingredients like I previously spoke about. I'd apply this oil to my hair every other day or every few days, making sure to massage my scalp every single day. If you don't already know, massaging your scalp daily dramatically boosts your hair growth. By increasing blood circulation in your scalp, it helps stimulate it, making your hair grow faster and longer. And by massaging your scalp and using a good hair oil, you'll be hydrating your scalp while allowing the oil to penetrate deeper into it. I'll leave a link to 3 great hair oils down in my description below to give you a couple of options. By putting all these bits and pieces together and by following this routine religiously, you'll notice that your hair won't only grow 2 times faster, but it'll grow 2 times as long. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe with the bell so that you can stay notified. If you care about your hair, which I know you do, then this is definitely the channel for you. So subscribe and turn on post notifications. Lastly, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you, I promise. Oh, and really quickly, I'd like to announce that I started a new channel. It's called Kozak Vlogs. On this channel, you'll see unscripted, raw, exclusive content that you wouldn't normally see on this one. Here's a little preview. Usually never ever snows here. I can't remember the last time that it snowed here. But yeah, I'm trying to catch it. I actually woke up at a decent time. I just got up really late. Like, y'all ever just stay in the bed, like you wide awake, but you just sit in the bed all day for like 3 hours? What I'm doing to my hair right now, I know a lot of you guys are probably from the hair care channel. I'm just doing a little touch up. My hair's already hydrated. I'm just put a light amount of conditioner in it, I'm gonna just put a light amount of conditioner in it. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. This right here is currently my favorite conditioner. Out of all the conditioners that I've used, this is currently my favorite. Giving our hair a little bit of hydration, a little bit of life to it, putting in some natural ingredients. Some food. It's kind of like just giving your hair food, you know? So if this interests you at all, head over there and subscribe. I'll leave the link in the description below. But yeah, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming by and seeing me. I'm Kozak, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.